Today I'm going to guide you through the joint freeing series, and we're going to do it laying down. The joint freeing series is a wonderful practice to help you regain mobility and strength. The only thing is you have to promise not to work in pain. So if anything is bothering you as you're moving through these practices, if you feel a sharpness or a pull or an uncomfortable tug, then please reduce the range of motion. And most likely, if you reduce it for, 4 or 5 times of doing the series through, you'll find that next time you can go a little bit further and a little bit further. We are slowly building strength and stamina and range of motion. So be patient, take your time. You do not want to rush this. In this in this video, I guide you through more or less 5 times each movement, but you are welcome to hit that pause button and go a little bit longer on the movements that you like, and maybe skip some of the movements that you don't like. But please go through all of the movements because there's a systematic way that we're doing this. We're moving the energy from the ankles to the head, and we do need to include all of the movements. And you never know, what used to not be your favorite movement may become your favorite movement by the end of, a month or so. Anyway, enjoy. Enjoy the series. Start at the feet. So I'm going to start by exhaling, flexing my feet, and inhale, pointing my toes. Exhale, flex. I should feel my calf muscle stretching a little bit. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Maybe I feel my shin muscles engaging. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. And last time, inhale, point. Now I'm going to draw my big toe joints together. I'm going to keep my toes pointing up to the sky. I'm going to inhale, pull the little toe line of my feet away, and then exhale, draw the soles of the feet together. Inhale, rotate the soles of the feet away, and exhale, draw the feet together. Inhale and exhale. This is a difficult move. Inhale and exhale, but try to keep the big toe joints together. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now I'm going to take my feet apart, and I'm going to make a big circle with the feet as I inhale in any direction, and then exhale, circle around the other way. Inhale, rotate around, exhale in the other direction. Try to make the circles as round as possible and try to feel them as big as possible. One more time, inhale and exhale. Okay, then just shake out your feet a little bit. We're going to bend the right knee, and you're going to keep your thigh bone in the same place. Have it about a 45-degree angle from the ground. And as if there was a string lifting your ankle up to the sky, you're going to inhale, lift the foot up. Exhale, drop the foot down with control. Inhale, straighten the leg. It doesn't have to straighten all the way. Exhale. You want to feel the quadriceps working as you inhale, straighten the leg. And exhale, release the quadriceps. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Straighten that leg out. And then we'll do the same with the left. So you're going to bend that knee. The thigh will be about 45 degrees from the ground. Keep the thigh as still as possible. As you inhale, pick the shin up. Exhale, lower the foot down. Inhale, you may feel a little bit of a stretch in the hamstrings. Exhale, as you bring that leg straight, inhale, strengthen the quads, stretch in the hamstrings. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And then straighten that left leg out. Now we're going to bend the right leg again. And we're going to work the hamstrings. So you're going to flex your foot just a little bit and drag the heel back towards the buttocks on your inhale, and exhale, push it away. Inhale, push the foot down and drag it in, and exhale. This is a strength move for the hamstrings. Inhale, pull the foot towards you, and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, feel the hamstrings working. And exhale, and 1 more time. Inhale, and exhale. And now the left leg, bend the knee. If you want to make this more challenging, start with the heel far apart. If it was too difficult, keep the heel a little bit closer so the distance you travel is less. Inhale, pull the heel towards you. Exhale, push away. Inhale, pull it in. Exhale, press away. Inhale, push down as you draw the heel towards you. Exhale. Inhale, feel the hamstrings working as you drag that heel as far as you can towards the sit bone. Exhale, and 1 more time. Inhale, and exhale. And then shake out the legs. I'm going to take the feet wide apart, and we're going to do internal and external rotation. So for your external rotation, you're going to inhale, take the little toe joints down to the ground, keep your knees a little bit bent, and then exhale, rotate your big toe joints to the ground. Inhale, open the legs out, turning the toes out. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, open out. Exhale, draw in. You might feel a difference from right leg to left leg. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Now take your legs wide apart. We're going to do abduction and adduction. So we're going to work the outer hip and the inner thigh. Keep your toes pointing up to the ceiling, and then you're going to inhale, sweep the right leg out a little bit more, and then exhale, slide the right foot all the way to the left foot. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. If you want to make this more challenging, move your left leg out a little bit more, so your right leg has to travel a little bit further. Inhale, right leg out. Exhale, close. Inhale, sweep out, and exhale, close. And then we're going to take the feet over to the right side, and you're going to inhale, sweep your left leg out to the side, and exhale, draw all the way to the right foot. Inhale, sweep out, keep your toes pointing up to the ceiling. Feel this in the outer hip, and as you exhale, you want to feel it in the inner thigh. Inhale, you may feel some stretching in the inner thigh here, and exhale, you may feel some stretching in the outer hip. Inhale, and exhale, and 1 more time. Inhale, and exhale. And then shake out your legs. We're going to move into hip flexion. So we're going to start by bending the right knee. Put your right foot flat on the surface you're in. We are going to push down into the foot. Maybe lift the right hip up a little bit. That's your inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to draw your knee into your chest. Inhale, push down. Feel your gluteals working. Exhale, you're going to feel your hip flexors working. Try to keep your belly soft. Inhale, push down, contract the gluteals. Exhale, draw the knee in. Inhale, push down. Exhale, squeeze that knee in. Don't use your arms, just use your hip flexor muscles here. Last time, inhale and exhale. And then let's switch sides. Bend your left knee. And we're going to start by inhaling, engaging the gluteals as you push down. And exhale, pull the knee into the chest. Inhale, push down. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, push down. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, squeeze the gluteals. Exhale, squeeze the hip flexors. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, and then we're going to put the feet down and we're going to work the lower abdominal muscles and some spinal flexion and extension. And I'm going to give you 2 options. First option is just to work the lower abdominals. On the inhale, you're going to arch the lower back slightly off the surface. And as you exhale, you're going to pull your pubic bone to your belly button. Inhale, lift the sacrum and the lumbar spine slightly. Your hips will stay on the ground. Exhale, squeeze your pubic bone to your belly button. So you're only moving from the belly button down. Inhale and exhale, squeeze. Inhale, stretch the space between your belly button and pubic bone, and exhale, draw them together. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And then we're going to move to the upper spine, and you can always repeat what we just did or just take a rest here. You are going to push your lower back into the ground and inhale, roll your hips up, and exhale, slowly lower your hips down. Inhale, you want to feel your abdominals working and your gluteals working as you lift your hips up, and then exhale, lower down. Pubic bone to the belly button. Inhale, float your hips up. Exhale, lower down. One more time, pubic bone and belly button towards each other. Inhale, the hips lift up, and exhale, the hips come down. Okay, and then you can either have remain with your knees bent. You might even want to take your knees together and your feet wide apart. We're going to work in the arms and wrists and shoulders now. You can also always have your legs straight, up to you, however you're most comfortable. Palms face down. Keep your forearms down on your surface and then flex on the inhale, your fingertips up. And then exhale your fingertips down and push down to the ground and lift your forearms. Inhale, squeeze the fingernails back towards your forearms, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, maybe pull your fingertips in a little bit more towards your forearms. Inhale, and exhale, and one more time. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, let's turn the palms to face up. Again, you're going to keep the forearms on the ground. Just roll your hands off the ground and reach your fingertips towards the heels of your hands. That's an inhale. You should feel a good stretch here in the forearms. Exhale, press the fingernails down and lift the wrists up. Inhale, roll the knuckles up to the ceiling. Exhale, lift the wrists up. Inhale, feel the stretch. Exhale, 2 more times. Inhale and exhale, and then inhale and exhale. Okay, let's keep the palms face up. We're going to do a lateral wrist movement. So you want to keep your forearms anchored to the ground. On the inhale, you're going to reach your little fingers towards your hips. And on the exhale, you're going to reach your thumbs to your shoulders. Inhale. Keep all 4 knuckles down on the ground from the index fingers to little fingers. Inhale, that's 3. Exhale, 4. And one more time. Inhale, little fingers move in. And exhale, thumbs move out. We're going to rotate the palms down. We're going to do the same thing. It's kind of like you're wiping a stain off of the surface that you're on. Inhale, slide the little finger towards your wrist. Exhale, the index finger towards your hips. Try not to pop up the index finger knuckle as you do this. Inhale, sweep out. Exhale, in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, let's bend the arms now, and you're going to make a soft fist with your hands, and you're going to inhale 3 times around with the wrists, and exhale, rotate 3 times around in the other direction. Inhale, and exhale, inhale, take your time, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and one more time, rotating the wrists around, taking a big circle, as big a circle as you can, and exhale. And then rest the knuckles down on the ground, palms are going to face up. You're going to inhale and exhale, draw your fingertips towards your shoulders, and then inhale, straighten your arms. Then lift your arms a little bit and just bend the elbows, exhale, fingertips to shoulders, and inhale, straighten. Take the arms straight up to the ceiling, exhale, feeling the tricep stretch, and inhale, triceps contract, and then one more time, exhale, and then inhale. Let's do one more for good measure. Exhale, and then inhale, and then rest the arms down. You're going to take your elbows shoulder height and start with your fingertips pointing up to the ceiling. Then you're going to inhale, take the knuckles back, and your palms will face up. And then exhale, reach your fingertips towards the ground, reaching in the direction of your hips. Don't worry about flattening your hands down here. They probably won't. Normal range of motion is about here. I'm going to press my shoulder blades down, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And then fingertips onto the shoulders. Inhale, push your arms down into what you're laying on. And then exhale, draw your elbows towards each other. Inhale, squeeze the arms down. And exhale, bring them together. Inhale, feel the shoulder blades squeezing together behind your back. Exhale, feel the pectorals contracting, and maybe the spot between your shoulder blades is stretching. Inhale, and exhale, one more time. Inhale, and exhale. And then let's take the arms right alongside the body. Have the palms facing your body, little fingers on the ground. Armpits pull down towards the waist, and you're going to push down with your arms into the ground. Try to feel the backs of your shoulders working and the latissimus, which is a very large muscle in your back. Then, keeping your armpits pulled down towards your waist, you're going to inhale, take the arms up and over. If you can, the thumbs will press down. If not, just take them as far as you can. And exhale, push down. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. And exhale, hands down, press in. Inhale, try to keep the hands the same width apart for the whole trip. And one more time. Inhale, feeling the shoulder joints moving. And exhale. Okay, and that is all for the wrists and the arms and the elbows. And now we're going to move into lateral trunk flexion. So you can do this again with your knees bent or your knees straight. I'll show first with the knees bent and then with the legs straight. So from here, I'm going to reach the left hand down. I'm going to slide over to the left side, and I'm going to contract the left side seam. That's my exhale. My inhale is going to bring me to the center, and then I'm going to exhale in the other direction. Right armpit down to right waist. Inhale, center. Exhale, left armpit to left waist. Inhale, center. And exhale to the right. Inhale, center. You can do this with your legs straight. And now I'm going to reach my fingertips down to my ankle. Not going to touch, of course. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and one more time. Exhale, reach down. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale. Okay, we're going to do a twist in the upper body and then in the lower body. So now we're going to move the shoulders, and so you're going to take your hands up, make a fist, and pull up, pulling your shoulders away from the ground. And then you're going to bend your elbows and push your elbows down into the ground. See if you can lift your upper back a little bit. And this is going to be the exhale. Keep your elbows a little bit bent here. And inhale, push down, feel your back muscles working here. Exhale, press up. Inhale, squeeze the back body. Exhale, feel the pectorals working and the shoulder blades moving away from each other. Inhale, contract the shoulder blades towards each other. One more time. Exhale and inhale. Okay. Now we're going to do a twist with the upper body, and then we'll also do one with the lower body. So make that fist again, interlacing your fingers. You can here again have your knees bent or straight. You're going to reach over to the left using the left hand to pull the right arm over. That's your exhale. Then you're going to inhale, come to the center, and exhale, pull over. Try to keep your left hip down on the ground as you reach to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach. Use the strength of your left arm to pull your right arm around. inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale center, exhale, inhale one more time on either side, exhale, and inhale, and then exhale. And then if you'd like, we'll do a twist with the lower body. You'll take your feet together. You're going to inhale and exhale. Your knees over to the left. You can put pillows here if you don't want to go too far. Inhale, center. Exhale, or you can do like I'm doing and just have your legs float up from the ground a little bit. Inhale. You can also, if you have the range of motion, drop your knees all the way down. Just make sure it doesn't bother your lower back. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, one more time. Exhale over. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale to the center. So now we're going to move up to the neck. And again, you can have your legs straight or not. And if it bothers your neck to lift up as high as I'm going to, then you're not going to lift up as high as I'm going to. You'll just kind of take your chin up a little tiny bit. Even just thinking about taking your head up, you're going to start to engage these muscles here, the sternocleidomastoids. So you're going to exhale, chin up, and then let the head rest down. And then exhale, push the back of your head into the pillow or the ground, and inhale, soften. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, center. Exhale, push back. Inhale, center. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, exhale, feel the neck, the muscles in the back of the neck working. Exhale, inhale, center. Exhale, muscles in the back of the neck are working. Inhale, one more time. Exhale, lift up. Inhale and exhale. It's important to do these without clenching the jaw. So if you find yourself clenching the jaw, don't lift up quite as much. Okay, we're going to go into rotation. Inhale and exhale, lower the left ear to the ground as much as you can without lifting the right shoulder up. Inhale, center. Exhale in the other direction. Inhale. Exhale, go as far as you can without lifting up the opposite shoulder. Inhale to the center, exhale to the right. Inhale, try to keep your chin lifted away from your chest as you exhale and rotate. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and one more time, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And now we're going to go laterally. So you're going to slide, keep the back of your head on the ground and slide your left ear to your left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, slide the right shoulder to. Now we're going to go laterally. Inhale and exhale, slide the left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale. As you do this, try not to lift your shoulder up to your ear. Instead, the ear comes to your shoulder, so you're feeling a stretch on the opposite side and a contraction in the side that you're leaning to. Inhale, exhale to the right, contraction in the right, stretch in the left. Inhale, exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale to the right. Inhale, exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale to the right. Inhale, and one more time to the left. Inhale, and exhale to the right. And inhale. And now we've worked the joints from the ankles up to the head. And the best thing to do right now, after we've done all that work, is to just rest in Shavasana. You can stretch your legs out, maybe something underneath your legs, and give yourself some time here to let all of the bones soften down into what you're laying on, to let the muscles relax, and to just feel the effects of your practice. This is called the Joint Freeing Series because not only does it free the muscles that control the joints, But it also releases a lot of prana, a lot of energy into the system. So it's nice to just rest here and feel the energy spiraling in the ankles where we started, in the knees, in the hips, right and left hip, in the whole spine, in the shoulders, elbows, and wrists, and in the neck. And feel all of that energy now available. Now that you've released it from the joints, it's available for you to use in different ways. This is also a good time to sleep if it is nighttime. However, you may also find that the Joint Freeing series energizes you, in which case you'll do it during the daytime. Rest as long as you'd like here, enjoying the effects of your practice.